Most of us realize that leading a team well is about more than just finishing jobs. It is about how people feel when they are working. If everyone understands the plan and feels like their work matters, the vibe of the office gets much better for everyone involved. Right now, we are checking out some great employee experience tools that help us create that exact kind of helpful workplace. These apps are not just for the HR department, because they help make our normal workdays run much more easily than before. It is time to see how these tools work to make the entire experience of being an employee better.
Leading a modern group is usually more of a headache than it should be, mainly because we're constantly hopping around different apps just to find a time or text a coworker. That is exactly the reason we are checking out Pebb today, a comprehensive employee platform built to keep everyone from the back office to the field staff perfectly connected. Once you get inside the app, the design feels incredibly smooth and natural, with a handy sidebar that holds all the big tools like Spaces, where you see all the features like employee shifts and clock-in management, digital forms, wiki, file sharing, company news feeds, and then you also have the chat and people categories. You can easily break your work down into separate spaces, which are basically digital rooms for different tasks or teams, complete with social walls, file storage, and even a silent posting feature. For anyone managing hourly shifts, the built-in calendar and clock-in system make tracking hours and getting everyone paid a whole lot faster. Aside from staying organized, the app is great for chatting. The Chat tab handles one-on-one notes, group threads, and even mobile video calls for when you're out and about. You can also take care of manager duties, like checking the team directory or approving holiday time, all in one central spot. To make sure everything is running right, the analytics screen gives you a clear look at engagement levels and how people are using it. We honestly believe Pebb is a solid, easy-to-use fix for any team looking to silence the digital noise and stop the endless app switching. If you're ready to get your team synced up, look at the description for the join link.
Moving right along, we have WorkVivo, and this is a platform that's really gained a lot of momentum since joining the Zoom family. If your goal is to boost engagement and make sure every single person feels like they belong, WorkVivo is a heavy hitter. We see it as a digital heart for the company, where communication flows both ways, not just from the top down. It uses a very social style activity feed that encourages people to interact, post updates, and recognize their teammates' hard work with badges and awards. What we find really impressive is how it handles different types of content. You're not just limited to text posts. You can broadcast live video streams for town halls, or even host company podcasts directly through the app. This is huge for keeping leadership visible and approachable. For those of us managing global teams, the platform can auto-translate content into over 90 languages, so nobody feels left out because of a language barrier. It also digs deep into how people are feeling with its Employee Insights tool, giving us heat maps and summaries of team sentiment. It's a very polished, all-in-one experience that replaces those dusty old intranets with something people actually enjoy opening every morning. Now, if you're working in a large organization where reaching every employee feels like a constant uphill battle, Staffbase is a name you should know. We appreciate Staffbase because it's built specifically to solve the communication gap that often happens in bigger companies, especially those with a lot of blue-collar or non-desk workers. It's designed to be a mobile-first experience, ensuring that a person on a factory floor or delivery route has the exact same access to information as someone sitting in the corporate headquarters. The platform is incredibly modular, so we can tailor it to exactly what our team needs, whether that's a branded employee app, a personalized email newsletter, or a modern intranet. One of the things we find most useful is the ability to target messages. Instead of blasting everyone with every update, you can make sure a safety alert only goes to the specific department it affects. This prevents notification fatigue and keeps the information relevant. Staffbase also puts a big emphasis on data, providing clear analytics so we can see which messages are actually landing and where we might need to improve our reach. It's a very professional, secure, and scalable way to keep a large distributed workforce pulling in the same direction. Taking a slightly different approach, let's look at Blink. We often hear it described as a super app for frontline workers, and for good reason. While some platforms focus on the office experience first, Blink was built from the ground up for the people who aren't sitting at a desk. It acts like a digital front door, giving employees one-click access to everything they need, from their shift schedules and pay stubs to secure group chats and company news. What we really like about Blink is how it removes the friction of daily work. By integrating with the tools we already use, like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, it puts all those resources into a single, simple mobile interface. There's no more hunting through 3 different apps just to find a policy or check a schedule. It's a great choice if you want to empower your frontline staff with better tools while also getting a clearer picture of their engagement through the platform's built-in analytics. Lastly, we want to talk about Connecteam, which is like a tool that can do almost everything for managing a group of people. If you want an app that helps with the actual work and also helps people enjoy their jobs more, this is the one to pick. Connecteam is great because it puts company talking tools and work tools into one place. It has things like a time clock that uses GPS, digital lists for tasks, and a very good schedule where workers can take extra shifts or trade with a friend. The reason we think this helps people have a better time at work is because it makes the hard parts of the job much easier to handle. When it's easy to see when you work, ask for a day off, or do your training on your phone, you're going to feel much better about your position. For sharing news, it has a list of coworkers, ways to give feedback, and a feed for updates. We also like that it's very affordable for small businesses since it's free to use for up to 10 people. It's a very useful and easy tool that helps managers keep things in order while giving workers a simple place to handle everything during their workday. Picking the best app for your group really depends on where your workers are and what kinds of problems you're trying to solve right now. It doesn't matter if you want the many work tools in Connecteam or the way WorkVivo helps people feel more connected, because both tools help you be a better boss. We want to know which one of these sounds like the right one for your office, so tell us what you think down below. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more helpful videos like this one.